Welcome to another scheduling software tutorial video. This video, named Service Agreements, will guide you through the complete service agreement process. Scheduling software's simple two-step process for service agreement management is as follows. Step 1. Send out service due reminders. Step 2. Process payment and create scheduled duty sales orders. Please watch the customer service location and the customer service equipment videos before watching this video. Start by clicking your Utilities button. Log in using password OH2014, which brings up this Utilities menu form. Click the Edit Service Agreements button. To add a new service type, first double-click any field in the highlighted row to bring up the Agreement Types form. Click Add on this form. Fill in contract number, description, amount, and term. Now that all fields are filled in, click Save and Close. Your new agreement type record will be saved and displayed in the grid. By double-clicking any record on the invoice type grid, the Agreement Types form will appear with the highlighted rows data pre-filled in to make editing an existing record quick and easy. Renumber, contract number, rename, description, amount, and term. Click Save and Close. Your edit is now saved and displayed in the grid. Let's start by entering a service agreement in scheduling software. Pull up a customer as you normally would. Click the Service Agreement button. This service agreement form appears. Service agreements must correspond to a specific piece of service equipment already entered in scheduling software. Click Edit, then select the equipment number from the grid below that is covered under your service plan. Select Plan from the contract drop-down list, change the start date and finish date. Next, select Group ID. Group ID tells scheduling software how to bill your customer for service agreement renewals. Example, if you have two pieces of equipment with the same plan type and you select Group A for each, your customer will only be billed for one service agreement. This means your service agreement actually covers these two pieces of equipment. If your company's service plans only cover one piece of equipment, you would select Group A for one and Group B for the other. Click Save. You've just entered a service agreement for one piece of equipment only. If you wish to enter a service agreement for the second piece of equipment in this example, make sure you highlight it in the grid below. Follow the same process as previously stated. Now, we're ready to show you how to use service agreement reminders. Click the Service Agreement Reminders button. The Service Agreement Renewal/Reminders form appears. This form queries your service agreement database to select all expiring contracts for the date range you chose. From this query, individual customer reminders will be exported to QuickBooks Estimates for your convenience. Click the Send to QB Estimates button. Click Yes to export service agreement renewals to QuickBooks. As a reminder, scheduling software uses the Estimate and Change Order section of QuickBooks as a holding area for service agreement renewal reminders. To properly set up QuickBooks as your service agreement holding area, we suggest doing the following. Click on Estimates and Change Orders. This is a stock view of QuickBooks Estimates for QuickBooks Enterprise version that we are going to customize. Under the Formatting Customize Data Layout section, change Estimate to Service Due Reminder or something similar. When completed, click OK, OK, OK. The estimate, now called Service Due Reminder, is ready for printout or email. Do not make changes to QuickBooks sales orders or estimates that were auto-generated by scheduling software. You may add additional estimate lines if you wish, but do not alter anything auto-generated. Once you have received payment for renewal, click Renew Service Agreements. This Process Service Agreement screen will appear so you can process payment. Type estimate number, aka Service Due Reminder, number in the Enter Estimate Number box and press Enter. The Max Term Months field and Service Agreement Descriptions grid will be auto-filled in. Make sure the Create Billing Sales Order and the Create Service Perform Sales Orders boxes are checked if you wish to create both the Process Payment and future Due Service Duties sales orders. Check the boxes in the dates to perform service grid when your customer wishes you to perform the service duties associated with your service agreement. Service duty sales orders will be auto-generated in QuickBooks based on the number of boxes checked and the date to perform service grid. Job interactive controllers will be placed on the schedule board after you press Send to QB Sales Orders. Estimates will be deleted from QuickBooks, but keep in mind they will be replaced with sales orders. Don't forget, a billing sales order will be created with today's date on it so you can receive the payment in your books and records. Double check your work and click Send to QB Sales Orders. Go to QuickBooks Sales Orders module and confirm that all sales orders have been auto-generated for you. Do not make changes to QuickBooks sales orders or estimates that were auto-generated by Out Here software. You may add additional sales orders lines if you wish, but do not alter anything auto-generated. As normal, you may generate invoice from sales order. As a reminder, it is important to rebuild data in QuickBooks at least once daily. Thank you for choosing Scheduling Software Inc., the best scheduling software built for QuickBooks.